Ever wondered why your body randomly decides to glitch out and make you hiccup? Spoiler alert, it's your brain bullying your respiratory system. Meet your diaphragm. It's a dome-shaped muscle under your lungs that usually plays nice. But if you eat too fast or get stressed, it suffers a violent muscle spasm, forcing you to suck in air like a dying vacuum cleaner. As that stolen air rushes up your throat, your epiglottis panics and violently slams your vocal cords shut. Boom. That instant air block is what creates that annoying, soul-crushing hic sound. Old myths say hiccups mean someone is thinking about you. But science says it's just a useless evolutionary glitch. Want a real nightmare? A guy named Charles Osborne had a hiccup attack that lasted for 68 years straight. Imagine being ghosted by your own lungs for a lifetime. So next time you get the hiccups, just pray they stop. At this point, you need a functional diaphragm exactly as much as I need subscribers.